Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You begin by naming what students must do and demonstrate. Be specific. Once done, pick 3 measurable targets and link each to an assessment purpose. Make sure to choose tools that match the skill: quiz for facts, performance task for transfer, rubric for complex work. Then create quick success criteria so students know what counts. This saves time and reduces ambiguity. Finally, prepare one simple prompt or task you can use immediately to collect evidence in the next lesson. You now build assessments that align tightly to the targets. Start by drafting tasks and mapping each to a specific criterion. This ensures validity. Once tasks exist, vary item types to capture different skills: multiple choice for recall, short answer for reasoning, performance for application. Make sure to create clear scoring rules and example responses so grading is consistent. Then pilot one item with 3 students, adjust wording, and finalize tasks before administering broadly to avoid confusion in class. You administer the assessment and score promptly. Aim for within 48 hours so feedback is timely. Once scored, look for patterns, identify 3 common errors, percent mastery per target, and any persistent misconceptions. Use those findings to group students for targeted reteach, short mini-lessons, practice tasks, or individual feedback conferences. If results are messy, troubleshoot. Check alignment, item clarity, or scaffolding and revise items before reassessing. Finally, communicate one clear next step to students and parents.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.